Hi everyone, I'm Joe Newman, this is HowEasy, and today I will show you how to make a table of photos in Word. In previous video tutorials I show you how to make cover page, some table of content, and now I will show you how to insert image and insert caption, and after a list of caption or table of figures. I prepared here some place for my images, so we will start with insert of image. It's in the table insert picture, this device, and I have here prepared this one. For the second, so again, insert pictures, this device. We can see a second image. I separately to the two pages because I want to show you in the final list that you can change easily the number of pages and everything. For the caption, it's easy because you just make right click on the picture, insert caption. Now you can see name of caption, options, positions, and labels. So I want a new label. It will be the name photo. So my label will be photo. Under the text, you can go above the text or below. And the last thing what you need to know is numbering. I prefer this one, but you can choose what you want. The name of my photo will be. Now you can see the name of the capture. You can easily change the style, like if you wanna in the center, just click here to the center and you can see the name of photo is in the center. So the same process for the second photo. You can see now we have the same label like from previously photo. Okay, I wanna again to the center and we have it. So this is the name of the photos. And now last thing, we want a list of pictures. Usually it's on the last page of our document. I will insert page break like from previously video. Again, if you wanna, you can check it in home and here show how it's formatting symbols. You can see the page breaker here. Here is the space for our list of photo. If you want to insert it and have it editable in reference, and after here in this position you have insert table of figures. Now you can change lots of type like formats, general, caption, label, photo. If you have more labels in your document, you can do for every type of label. You can change the space between text and number of pages. Okay, so we will easily click OK. And you can see that in our document it's a list of the photo. On the top we can write something like table of photo. We can edit it. The headline number 1 because we want to have it in the table of content. We have table of photo. Now I can show you how to change table of content because I have some mistakes here. and I add new headline. So click, update, enter yes, and we have new table of photo here in our table of content. Last thing, if you want to make some mistake, you just edit the text on the end of the document, just click edit field and you can see that text was changed. So it was all for today. If you like this video, give me a like. If you like this channel, give me a subscribe and comment this video. In next videos we will continue in editing Word and PDF documents, so stay tuned. Ciao.